guys, so I am going to show you how to make bubblegum slime. This is my recipe, but it's pretty good slime, and it's a different kind of way how to make it. I'm playing with my other slime right now, but yeah. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe if you are not already. Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos that I post or more other giveaways and other surprising stuff. So hit the subscribe button, like this video if you want more of these kinds of videos, and if you really don't like this video, comment down below what you do want to see next so I can see what you guys want. So I'll be making bubblegum slime, so let's get on into it. That you'll be needing is some cleansing soap, some baby powder, baby oil, lotion, foaming soap, glue, and your solution and water, and a container and a lid to put your slime into it when it's all done. I'm just going to use my container so I know how much I am going to use, so I'm going to use this as a mixing utensil, and you'll need a mixing utensil, but this is my mixing bowl. Okay, so let's get on into it. So the first step, what you're going to do is you're going to add your glue. I'm close to running out, but not so close. It's right there. So I'm not going to use a lot because I do have to save it for my restock on slime. So I do have stuff in my shop, so go buy some. Come on, look. Okay. And so yeah, I just have that amount of glue. And then now I'm going to add some water. This is water. I just put it in a thingy because it lays on my bed and I don't want it to spill everywhere. So you'll need a lot, but not a little bit. So if that makes sense. And then so you'll be adding some soap. Foaming soap. Differences, get it? My thing's broken, so it doesn't come out fully. So you have to do it like a lot of pumps, but you should only need like 3. And then you'll need some baby powder. Not a lot. Then you'll need some lotion. Not a lot. You'll need some deep cleaning oils. Again, not a lot. And you'll need some baby oil. Oh, and I forgot, you'll need some coloring for bubblegum slime. I'm just going to show you how to do it with some eyeshadow because like I've been seeing videos people using it with eyeshadow. So I'm going to use it with eyeshadow. And plus I don't use this anymore, so. Okay, now you're going to mix. So now what you are going to do is you're going to add your coloring. I'm just going to use the whole thing because like I personally don't use it anymore. So yeah. I need to find something to like cut it open. Okay, so I found this pencil. But that has glue in it, so just make a little hole. Hope it doesn't spill there. If it doesn't end up looking like it should be a bubblegum slime, then I'll change the name to it. But it kind of looks like it's going to be a Kylie Jenner lip kit slime, but not. I mean, it's a pretty bright color. Okay, so then just mix it thoroughly. It does look like it has spots in it, but trust me, when you add your activator, it will come. Yeah, and it will have this light kind of color, but trust me, once you add your activator, all of the clumps from the eyeshadow will come together and it will be like a darker kind of pink. But yeah, I think it might just be named bubblegum. But this is what I have so far. I'm gonna add some chalk. Okay, so I got some chalk.
So basically it just broke on me, and so I just had to continue breaking it.
No, like. Yeah, it's just gonna be like. Okay, and so I just want to make sure that it's actually the right color. So that's why I added more. Now we're just gonna add your solution. Doesn't matter what you use. I use borax. 1 teaspoon of borax. Well, I don't really measure mine. I just like take a pinch or more, and then I put it in the water. I don't really measure it. I don't think a lot of people actually measure it. I'm not sure. But yeah, it looks like it's a pretty color so far. Okay, so it's coming together, and this might take a long time, so I'm just gonna. Okay, so it didn't take me that long to actually cut up pieces, but there are like some pieces left in here, but it actually makes it like clicky and like very, very, very stretchy. And yeah, it's pretty good slime, and it's pretty good. But yeah, where is it? Oh, there it is. But it's pretty good. Oh. But it's really poppy, bubbly, and it's just amazing, actually. And I made one the other day. This one's Nutella slime, and this one's bubblegum slime. I didn't think I would name it Kylie Jenner Lip Kit slime anymore, because it just doesn't look like it anymore. So yeah, give this a like if you guys actually really did enjoy this video. If you guys don't, well, just comment something down below if you want something different besides me making slime. And yeah, and I still have to like break some pieces. Okay, so comment down below what other videos you would like to see. Subscribe if you're not already. Hit the notification bell and like this video if you want more like this. So yeah, bye guys. Bye guys.